Affiliate marketing giving you issues? Read this. In these hard economic times, everyone could benefit from some extra cash. A fun and easy way to make money from home is affiliate marketing. Well, at least it's easy enough to get started. But if you're thinking about creating a steady income, you need to form a plan. Follow the tips and tricks in this video to help you build a successful affiliate site. When creating an affiliate marketing program for your products, encourage deep linking. You want links on your affiliates' pages to go directly to the product page for the item they're recommending. The more clicks it takes the reader to reach the product, the less likely it is that they will convert. Be wary of affiliate marketers that do not offer real-time customer tracking services. An affiliate that cannot show a webmaster the traffic flowing from his or her site to the affiliate's site is possibly an affiliate looking to cheat the webmaster. Affiliates that rely solely on testimonials on past performance are even worse. How an affiliate used to do business has nothing to do with how they do business now. Only deal with affiliate companies that appreciate your efforts. Check with various companies to see if they offer bonuses for numbers of customers, loyalty bonuses, or any other type of reward system. You will be working hard as an affiliate, so make sure you go with a service that allows you to reap the benefits of your labor. Affiliate programs can become an alternative source of money, all from the comfort of your own home. However, in order to have any kind of success, you need to put in time and effort. The more time and effort you put in, the better the results. If you follow these tips and stick to your program, you will see results. Thousands of other people do, so why can't you? Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.